Hello, and welcome to Total Reboot. It's a 35-day personal life transformation. I am so excited for you to take this quick preview video of the class, which is going to be composed of 35 days of working on yourself, finding the deep aspects of your life that you want to develop and incorporate and inspire and empower your life. Are you looking for a complete reboot? Are you familiar with a computer? And when you need to reboot it, basically wipe the hard drive, clean it up. What's not working? Is my hard drive fragmented? Is your life fragmented? Are you looking for a reboot? This is it. In this class, I will teach you and I will give you the fundamentals and I will put new tools in your toolbox in order for you to work on brand new aspects of your life and to build fundamentals and to build structure and to build habit and to really work on helping you become the best version of yourself today. You're going to learn about gratitude. You're going to learn about goals. You're going to learn about affirmations, and you're going to learn about questions. It's what I've called the GGAQs. It's a system I've created in order to help you stay focused, bring clarity, and bring power to your life, and to change what it is that you so desire to change in your life. These are the fundamentals that will begin to reboot your life. You'll also be learning about meditation, the practice of stilling your mind, and to help you to become more cognizant, to bring wisdom to your life, and to create a greater sense of intuition and connection with your higher self. You'll also be doing one of my favorite exercises, which is building a vision board. Visualization, power, and law of attraction. Through your GGAQs, your gratitudes, your goals, your affirmations, and questions, I will be having you build a very large online and in physical aspect a vision board, which you'll be putting pictures and words and phrases. It's one of my favorite exercises, and it's one of the most powerful things that you can do to begin changing major change in your life. Join my class. I want you to see what it can do for you. I want your feedback, and I'm excited for you to take this step of saying, hey, I'm tired of being the person that I am and the things that I'm doing. I desire to create real lasting change for my life and to see myself as the warrior, as the person that can change and be the impact in our world. Instead of being reactionary, I am happening to life instead of life happening to me. Sign up. I want you to take this class. I want to hear your feedback. And more than anything, I desire to see you become the best version of yourself today. Total Reboot, a 35-day personal life transformation. Here's to your greatness. Here's to your success. And I look forward to seeing you on the first lecture.